everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Song of the Week and Buttons class and private lesson for the song Easy. Now you're going to have a great time on this song. I spent a lot of time on chord changes and note changes to make this easy and sound great for you to play. The settings are going to be pretty cool. Now, this is actually a Tyros style. So we are going to do something a little different this week. I'll be emailing you the style for this song, and then I'll be emailing you in the same email the user style. So you're going to have to load the Tyros style first and then load my custom user file for this for your Genos, and that should be pretty easy for you guys to do and going to be a lot of fun. Now if you are in our book bundle, you're going to get all of this, and also if you're a Genos purchaser from Keyboard America, you should already have your Tyros 5 and Tyros 4 styles in your Genos, so you don't have to worry about downloading the style before you download my custom setting for it. Now, just in case you purchase your Genos from us before we started loading Tyros 5 and 4 styles into it, just email me at genosmike@hotmail.com and I will email you the Tyros 5 and Tyros 4 styles to load into your Genos. So let's take a quick look at the music for Easy and get started on this week's private lesson. Okay, before we look at the music, we're going to see we have intro 3, variation. We're using variation B, C, and D on this, and with my custom OTS sounds in there. And you're going to see the left is going to be on too, which is going to be a lot of fun and really make this sound professional. Now let's take a look at the music. Okay, as I said in the last videos, any note in red, hold that finger down to get to the next chord. You can see that we are doing intro 3 and variation B the first and second time through. So that's on there as well. And on the rest of the music, you'll see all the variation changes and things like that. These chords are going to be pretty easy. Now this is Slow and Easy is the name of the original style in the Tyros 5 ballads. So that's going to be fun too. So let's take a look now at the settings for Easy. Okay, so on OTS2, you can see the left, we're using a CFX Concert Grand, and that's at volume 63. Then on right 1, we're using the Vintage EP, that's in the electric pianos, and the 70s Suitcase Phase, which is in the electric pianos, and the Vintage EP and the 70s is volume 100. We're going to OTS 3 now, and the only change is going to be the boys choir there. Same settings as OTS 2 with that exception, and that volume on the boys choir is 103 right there. On OTS 4, really easy, same thing in the left, the CFX at 63 and the breathy tenor sax at 127. Now I've added reverb to the breathy tenor for sure. That's in my user sounds that I got there, and it's going to make the whole song sound great. Okay, next, this is very important, and you can see I'm in bank 1 here. Okay, I had a duplicate song. I had Cheek to Cheek in 7 and 8 where I made a mistake. So I saved this to correct bank 1. So put this in bank 1 if you are following my lessons and using the same banks that I have. So the other important thing is, very shortly, within the next day, I'm going to be doing a new video on loading Mike's USB, and it's going to be very important for you guys to watch that video. And I'm going to be replacing the one that I have on there now and making it a little better. So let's take a listen to the song Easy with the settings I have here. Now, one of the things you're going to notice here is on the left, you remember I have that CFX concert grand. Well, you're only going to want to use that when you want to, and you just hit harder, because we'll listen to this style real quick. So when you hit the chord a little harder, you can bring that piano in. When you just play soft, it's not going to be as noticeable. Now, you're going to find this pretty easy with the inversions that I've put here on the music for you. So I hope you enjoy it. And there you have a little easy, and probably won't be so easy, but it's going to be fun, isn't it? That piano striking that chord made it a little special. So here we go now with my outtake with a very important message. Okay, so first up here is make sure that you guys and girls always go to my Genos Tyros video lesson room. There is a wealth of information there, and because I have so many YouTube videos, it's real easy to find what you're looking for. Also, my new loading mics USB that I'm going to get to probably tomorrow, that's going to be an important one for all you folks too. Now, keep in mind on my video lessons page, you can purchase just the styles without the book bundles. So that's on there as well. And you can also purchase support with me on the phone if you didn't buy your Genos from me. And that's pretty important too, because I use both FaceTime and I use Google Duo. So you should download whatever you have. If you have an Android, you want Google Duo. And if you have an iPhone, you want the FaceTime. And that way, you and I have a face-to-face lesson on how to do things. I'm looking forward to making this new USB one. The book bundles are all also there. If you click on our book bundles page, and we ship them all over the world, so you can take advantage of these great lessons on how to play chords and how to set it up. And keep in mind, I'm going to email you the setting for this, and I'm going to repeat myself real quick. You're going to get first the style, and that you're going to load into your Genos in the email. Then you're going to put my user style in, which does all the settings that I had for this song automatically. You just load it right in there. And you should have a good time doing this song, a little bit of a workout. And last thing, this is bundles 1, 2, and 3. So pay attention to that, bundles 1, 2, and 3. And remember, I'm on bank 1, and this is song 8 on bank 1. That's also right there on my video lessons page. You can see all of my banks there and how you want to set your Genos up. So until next time, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com. Have a great week, keep playing, and see you very soon.
I needed the shelter of someone's arms. There you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs.